Okay, and here comes take two. This is problem 29, page 538. You have a sister, and it's the prior problem 28. Same as the previous video, which must have looked like a blooper reel. If you haven't seen it, don't go look at it. Let's just do problem 29 here. It says solve each triangle. And it gives you some data, and that data is that A is equal to 5, that B is equal to 8, and that C, I'm doing 29, is equal to 9. So I've just named these sides and drawn some kind of virtual triangle. Let's remind ourselves where the angles are now. There, B is opposite B, C is opposite C, A is opposite A. So that's all the information we have. Let me make sure it's right. B is equal to 8, C is equal to 9. And so whatever can we do? The answer is, just as before, let's apply the law of cosines at least 2 times. And let's find, I can find angle A because the law of the cosine says that this thing squared is equal to this thing squared plus this thing squared minus 2. This times the cosine of 8. So that is a formula or an equation for angle A, and let's go ahead and solve it. So let's go step 1, find angle A, and we're going to do that by using the law of the cosine. Law of the cosines. And for angle A, that manifestation of that law is that A squared is equal to B squared plus C squared minus 2BC cosine of A. Okay? I know everything here except for cosine A, so I should be able to solve this equation. A is 5, so this is 5 squared. B is 8, so this is 8 squared. C is 9, okay? Minus 2 times B is 8, C is 9, cosine A. Let me just work through this. This is 25 is equal to 64 plus 81 minus 72, 144, cosine A. I'm going to put the cosine A over here, 144 cosine A. I'm going to subtract the 25 from here. Oh yeah, I don't know what I'm going to get. I don't want to do it. I'm not doing it in my head. You can't make me. 64 plus 81. Yeah, that's 145, and I subtract 25. I'm just a chicken. I could have done that. Equals 120. So cosine A is equal to 120 all over 144, and that's equal to 6/7. Nope, no it's not. How did I do that? Never mind. It's equal to 60 72s, 30 36s, 15 18s, 5 6s. 5 6? Is that what it's really, not really what it's like? Equal to, divide 24 6 times 140. Well, I'll be darned. 5 enter, 6 divide. I'm going to take the arc cosine, and I'm going to get that angle A is equal to 33.6 degrees. Okay? Well, next, pick me an angle. Any angle. What'd you say? Look at this. I wish I had said find angle A. I think I heard you say let's find angle B. Doesn't matter. Okay, using the law of the cosine. So in this case, angle B is going to be wrapped up in B squared is equal to A squared plus C squared minus 2AC cosine angle B. Let's put those values in. I've got 8 squared is equal to 5 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 5 times 9 cosine B. One more time, I got 64 is equal to 25 plus 81 minus 90 cosine B. So let's solve it again. I got 90 cosine B comes over here. I have got 106 minus 64, 42. Is that right? I've got 106, subtract 4, that's 102, subtract 6, that's 42. Gosh, hope I did that right. So that means that cosine B is 42 divided by 90. What the heck is that? That's 21 divided by 45, which is 7 divided by, I don't know. Let me do that again. 42 divided by 9. 90, so what? So that's 21 divided by 45. So that's 7 divided by 15. Okay, and therefore, B is equal to 7 enter, 15 divide, arc cosine is equal to 62.18 degrees. And all I have to do is add that to that and subtract the two of them from 180. Find angle C. 180 minus 33.6 minus 62.2. What the heck is that? It's equal to, is this off the page for you? It's off the page for you? Now you're just going to have to trust me. 180 enter, 33.6 subtract 62.2 subtract, I got 84.2. Put a circle on it, move on.